Hey folks, Matt from trailbrake.com here, showing you a quick unboxing of the AIM MXS 1.3 logger. As we open up the box, we can see we get a couple AIM stickers, trailbrake sticker, and a user guide that you can take this QR code, go right to the manual online, and get everything you need. Of course, we have the 5-inch MXS display. You get 3 alarm lights on each side, shift lights at the top, 37-pin harness, 22-pin expansion harness that's available, and the mirror cam. Please note, the mirror camera is only for the reverse camera. You cannot plug a Smarty Cam into that port. If you notice any of these little bubbles, it's the protective overlay that comes on the dashes. Inside the box, we find our GPS 09, 25 hertz, GLONASS, GPS, and Galileo satellites. This option is the 4-meter stick-on, so you can apply it. The stick-on is also available in a 2-meter, a 1.3, and a half-meter version, along with through-the-roof versions, the roof mount, that comes in 2-meter and 4-meter. Our download cable that plugs into our main harness. This is the 37-pin connector. We get our download port, AIM expansion for the GPS, and a Smarty Cam if you have one or you're going to get one. K-line, power, ground, CAN high and low, along with our analog channels and our speed sensor.